I'm Brad Johnson and welcome to the Healing Code card tutorials. And in this tutorial video I'm going to be talking about the brand new energy deck. So I'm introducing the third deck for the Healing Code cards, and I'm extremely excited about this particular deck. The energy deck, of course, I love all of the card decks that I've created, from the body deck, the mind deck, and now the energy deck. But the energy deck really stands out because it is the first deck that really just works together with purification and optimization of the entire being. Whereas the body deck and the mind deck is more of a detoxification deck. We have the body deck, which is the detoxification deck for the physical body. We have the mind deck, which is the detoxification deck for the emotional body and the mental body. And now we have the energy deck, which is just the purification and healing, rejuvenation and optimization deck for the physical body, emotional body, and the mental body. And like the body deck special edition, the energy deck contains 44 cards. And these 44 cards are very unique. And so the following tutorials I'm going to be sharing with you is going to be going through each of the categories of card types that you'll find within the Healing Code cards energy deck. And of course, if you want to know more information regarding the cards, you can also check out the PDF manual for the energy deck, as well as going to the cards contents page that you'll find in the navigation bar just under the energy deck heading. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next energy deck tutorial video.